The Alabama Court of the Judiciary found Leeds Municipal Judge Clifton L. Price II guilty of violating the canons of judicial ethics during a hearing in his courtroom on February 21, 2020, in which he told the defendant, Kimberly Ferranto, "I'll bust your ass," if she took legal action against Price's adult son. Ferranto had said she believed Price's son may have witnessed an unrelated traffic incident involving her car. Ferranto later filed a complaint with the Judicial Inquiry Commission. In its ruling, embedded below, the court found Price, a part-time judge who works 3 Fridays each month, guilty of losing his temper, yelling profanity, making threats, and calling the defendant disparaging names, all while presiding from the bench and wearing his judicial robe. The court formally censured Price in its ruling. The finding was rendered following the submission of a joint motion of stipulation of evidence presented at a public hearing Tuesday before the court in Montgomery. The stipulation, an agreement between Price and the Commission, outlined recommended sanctions. The court agreed to those sanctions but, based on the seriousness of the violations, additionally ruled that Price's salary would be suspended for 3 months. Ferranto, who is preparing to attend law school, spoke at the public hearing and later shared, "I am extremely disappointed in the judiciary. This is not okay. I'm looking at this justice, who is supposed to be someone I look up to and respect, and the way the man treated me, the way he acted, makes me question whether the law is an area I need to go into," she added. "He's made a mockery of the judicial system." At the original hearing in Leeds, Ferranto was waiting to represent herself in an alleged traffic violation, driving with a suspended license. Ferranto said she didn't know Judge Price's name until seeing it on the nameplate resting atop the elevated bench. He is a part-time municipal judge in Leeds. The name struck a chord with Ferranto, who is a former Waffle House waitress. 2 years prior to 2020 traffic case, a car belonging to Ferranto was struck by someone in the restaurant's parking lot. The driver immediately left the scene, according to the complaint. Based on the credit card receipt from the meal, Ferranto determined the name of the passenger in the vehicle, though she never located the passenger or the driver. As Ferranto waited to be called for her case in 2020, she researched whether there was any connection between the passenger and Judge Price. Ferranto said she determined the passenger was probably Judge Price's son. When called to the lectern, Ferranto attempted to explain to Judge Price, a local attorney, that she thought he should recuse from her case, due to a potential conflict. She asked Judge Price if a certain individual was his son, for which Judge Price answered affirmatively, according to the complaint.